Hello everyone and welcome back to the Decentralized Bull Channel. Today we are going to talk about the recent updates for Bitcoin. Bitcoin is sitting around $109,000. Yesterday we went even to $110,000, and also happy 4th of July everyone. And without further ado, let's jump straight into the charts. Bitcoin will probably go for a new all-time high in the next couple of days, I think. So after the weekend, I assume we will see a new all-time high. Stay tuned until the end, subscribe and share this video with your friends. Right now we can see here Bitcoin is at $109,000. We had a nice move yesterday to $110,000. We can see it here, and we have to go above the 112, which was the previous all-time high. For now it looks quite nice. We confirmed this breakout. You can see we break out of this resistance line here and went down, confirmed it, and jumped back higher. So this is quite nice. It's showing a higher high and it's indicating a bullish momentum. For now it's the 4th of July, so there are no main institutions trading today. So let's see what will happen at the end of the day. Happy 4th of July again. And with that being said, let's see here. My next price target is the $119,000, and before that we have to go above the 112. For now I would say this line is a good resistance. I would like that Bitcoin doesn't go lower than this point, so we might create here a little dip here to the 108, and after start going for the previous all-time high. That's what I think. It's very likely for Bitcoin. For now, good support here at 105. And now let's take a look at Ethereum, which is also above $2,555. We went to 2,650 yesterday. Let's go quickly here to the 4-hourly so we can see it more clearly. Here we have Ethereum yesterday at 2,650. Now we went $100 lower today, but it's not so bad. Still we are forming here a nice consolidation zone, and with that being said, we might see a nice move to the upside, because as you remember here, when I opened my trade, you can watch my trade in my previous videos. Now I'm doing a video from my mobile just for you, so I'm still taking time, even though I'm not at home, to make a video for you, because I want to update you every single day. And now we can see I opened my Ethereum trade right here when we were at 1,700. And after that you can see we also had the same movement as here. We had a consolidation phase. Oh, actually, sorry, this is 2023 here. I mean this zone here, 2025 in 2025. Now let's quickly change here to the 4-hourly. We can see here from this zone right here, we had the same consolidation phase here, 1,700. We were moving around this zone a lot, and after we broke out and we had $1,000 move for Ethereum. I think this might happen again very soon. So eyes on Ethereum and eyes on Bitcoin. Altcoins right now, some of them are still pumping. My Uniswap trade is pumping, my VeEX trade is pumping, but altcoins are still very volatile, so you need to be very careful what you're doing out there. You can see here, I'm just gonna go a little bit over it. We can see Aptos still below $5, so might be a nice opportunity to buy AVEX below $20. It was just $60 just a couple of days ago. Then we have here Uni 736. Quite nice entry point, I would say, because I think Uni will go to the $9 very soon. I'm quite bullish on Uni. We can see here the previous high here was at 860, so I think it will go there very soon. And with that being said, thank you all for watching. Don't forget to take profit. See you all again next time. Bye.